Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do numbers in German. This is just the first part from 1 to 20 and more lessons will be coming soon. Null. Null. It is 0 in German. Eins. Eins. It is 1 in German. Zwei. Zwei. It is 2 in German. Now in this Z or Z it gives the sound of S. Drei. Drei. It is 3 in German. Vier. Vier. It is 4 in German. Now it is not wir, it is vier. Fünf. Fünf. It is 5 in German. Sechs. Sechs. It is 6 in German. Sieben. Sieben. It is 7 in German. Acht. Acht. It is 8 in German. Neun. Neun. It is 9 in German. Zehn. Zehn. It is 10 in German. You should focus on the pronunciation of Z or Z. Elf. Elf. It is 11 in German. Zwölf. Zwölf. It is 12 in German. Now from 13 to 19 the numbers are very easy. Drei and zehn, it's 13. It is 13 in German. Similarly, vier and zehn, 14. Fünf and zehn, 15. It is 15 in German. Sechs and zehn is 16. Now this is an exception that S in between is cut. 17, it is 17 in German. Now this is also an exception. It is not 17, it is 17. The en in between is cut. Acht and zehn is 18. It is 18 in German. Neun and zehn, 19. It is 19 in German. 20. It is 20 in German. Now this is for your revision. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.